Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be playing with some new makeup that I had not had the chance to open previously because I went down to one video a week and then I had a bunch of other items that I wanted to unveil before, because like the monthly subscriptions, things like that. Oh, and our advent calendars. So these kind of went to back of the line, but now we can open them, and one of them is the PR package. I didn't get it in PR, but I did order it. It is the PR from Smoky Glow. I'm not sure if you're aware, she's got her own YouTube channel and she does commentary. I believe you'll have to go check out her channel. I'll link her channel down below. And she did this collaboration with Midas Cosmetics. So we're going to play with that and see what's in this PR box. And then I have some new products from Pretty Vulgar, pretty new for me, some new lipsticks and all that kind of fun stuff. Some of the stuff I've already had that I don't have brand new, but I will definitely be deep diving into the Smoky Glow PR box. So without further ado, let's get playing. All right, so now that we're close, I will open up the Smoky Glow box, and this is what it looks like in the inside, the PR box. It comes with the eyeshadow palette, some lip glosses, and some highlighters. So I'll be unboxing those as we go along. So let's start with the eyes as usual. And this is the palette. It says that it's vegan and 18 color eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. I love the colors. It's got some nice light tones, but you could see they're sprinkled in some nice, really bright tones that I really like, especially for the summer. These colors would be perfect. So anyway, we'll see what we can come up with this palette. And it says, "Hi friends." I'm assuming that's part of her channel or her brand, because I've seen "Hi friends" in a lot of the stuff here. And you can scan the QR code on there and there's a message from her. I haven't done that yet, but I'll do that later. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, as always, do the priming of my eyes with my MAC paint pot. So I'm not going to bore you with that. All right, so I primed my eyelids and went ahead and did my eyebrows. Might as well get everything done in once. So I'm gonna start with kind of in the mood for something kind of bright, but not too bright. We'll see what comes out. So I'm gonna start off with Cold Brew as a kind of like a base, and take off the excess and kind of put that all over. I'm going to go in with this bright pink called Warrior, but I'm actually going to take a smaller brush, I think, for this color. I definitely need something a little bit smaller. And I'm going to start depositing this pigment right here. Okay, so now that we have the pigment right there, I'm going to go in with Jump Cut, which is kind of this lighter orangey. And I'm going to blend out that other, what was it called? Warrior color. So now we blended that out. Then I'm going to take another, blending brush, and I'm going to go back into that Cold Brew, which is like the cream color, and just kind of blend out that last one, the Jump Cut. Really take it up high over here. And then I'm going to take again on Q-tip, a nice pointed Q-tip, dip it in some micellar water and take off any excess. Then I'm going to take, this is the base IC from P. Louise. It's a much brighter pink than what the camera is showing. I don't know if, I think you can see it from here. There we go, that's a better, not so close to the light. You can see the pink on that. I'm going to dip my brush, my nice flat synthetic brush, dip that in there and just stamp it on right there, just like so. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with a Rant, which is like this gold color right here, but I am going to take a wet brush and put it over the pink like so. I just wanted the shimmer to have a pink base so that it could blend really well with the pink around it. As you can see, it is gold, but it's got like a pink undertone to it since I put that base on there. I'm going to take this, as usual, my little Morphe brush, my M506, and I'm going to go into this one that's called Boat and put that on the outer corner to give us some dimension. All right, and now we've got like a darker, so it's just the pink peeks out really nicely, and we've got the gold over that other base, so I think it turns out really, really nice. And I'm gonna go do the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, so now both eyes are done, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this flat brush and I'm gonna go into this, it's called Basic. It's like a really nice white, very light color. And I'm just going to put that in my brow bone to kind of give it some highlight. Another tip, if you have a really, like, as we get older, this kind of puffs out a little bit more. So if you have, like me, like more prominent, like puffy, especially when we eat a lot of salt, then you want to use mattes instead of shimmers. Because the shimmer will only make it look worse or bulgier instead of giving yourself that light. So just tip right there. Let me just put a little bit right here. So I put a little bit in the inner corners to kind of highlight the eye and kind of give it a little bit more brightness. Now I'm going to try this Pure. It's a primer and it's a 4-in-1 correcting. So, and I don't know. Let me see. Let's see what color it is because it says it's correcting. Oh, wow. It's black. Check that out. It's black. What is it supposed to be black? Oh, it has salicylic acid. So apparently it's anti-blemish and acne treatment. Since I do have blemishes, but I don't have acne, just gonna put it where I have my pores, I guess. It is so weird. I've never seen such a thing. We'll see what it does. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier foundation. This is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and I have the color Ecru. I think so. That's how you say E-C-R-U. And I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, and as usual, use my heart brush and just kind of pounce all that in there. I really like this foundation. It really is a nice coverage. It's medium. I think it's more of a medium to full, so I guess you could build it up. But I just put one layer on, and then as usual, I'm going to take my wet sponge and just press it all into the skin. Kind of make sure there's no brush marks and take off any excess. Ever since I started doing this, I noticed that my foundation looks so much better. I'm going to try this concealer from Pretty Vulgar. I've never tried this one before. I know I didn't really enjoy the foundation because it was way too dry for my skin. I think that for oily skin it would be perfect, but for my skin just did not work. But let's try the concealer. And the concealer, I have the color the middle ground. So let's try this one. I ended up putting on some Shape Tape because that other concealer was also the one from Undercover from Pretty Vulgar. It was too drying for my skin as well. It's just way too dry. Their products are way too dry for mature skin. It says that their Undercover concealer is lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. It's infused with vitamin E to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. So I don't know if I just did something wrong, but I'm going to give it another try then. And for powder, I'm going to try the Midas Cosmetics powder. I ordered it when I ordered the PR kit. I'm just going to set wherever I'm going to put some blush. I already put the bronzer on. Cream bronzer, which was nice. And for blush, I have a new one from Pretty Vulgar. And this one is the Make Them Blush Pretty Witty. Oops. Just dug my nail into it, of course. So this is what it looks like. Excuse the nail mark. I always do that. I open it and I just jab. Ugh, makes me so mad. It's pretty dark, so I'm just gonna go easy on it. Let's see what I... It's a pretty dark color. See, it doesn't really give... It's got a very light flush to it. And if I apply more, I think it's just gonna look muddy. So, I'm gonna try this highlighter from Smoky Glow. And this is the highlighter. And there's a pink one and a gold-ish one. Since I didn't get the pink that I wanted from the blush, I'm gonna try this pink one and see how this works. Well, yeah, that's pretty. And I got this product, let's see, called Lash and Go. It's an eyeliner and lash adhesive from Velour. You know, the Velour lashes. So I've had it for a while. I've been honestly a little afraid to try it because I don't know if it's just going to turn into a big globby mess, but you gotta try it, gotta give it a go. So, you know, it says to cut the lash as usual, then line, and then apply your lashes. And it'll look like you have an eyeliner, and your lashes will stick to it. So, it says step 1, starting with one eye, apply liner from inner to outer corner of lash line. Step 2, apply lashes along lash line and adjust as necessary. Step 3, repeat on the other eye. If you can do eyeliner, you can do lashes. All right, let's see if it's true. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. All right, let's see if this works. So I'm gonna apply kind of a thick line, so I could feel it gets tacky. So let's apply our lashes. I don't know how long. It doesn't say how long if you're supposed to wait. What do I do with my tweezers? There they are. It doesn't say if you're supposed to wait, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply them. I want to do this to dry my lash, but no. Wish me luck. Looks like I need more in the inner corner, so like I said, you do have to apply kind of a thicker lash. Okay, so it got a little messy. It did end up gluing the eyelash. I think I just have to do a thicker lash eyeliner. All right, so that's the other one. Let's put the lash on and see if it'll stick. This one did glue right away. The only downfall is if you are not careful, you'll end up with a mess. I mean, you can't really like go in like with the other glue and put a little bit of glue underneath the lash to glue it back on, because that's what I tried to do here and I ended up messing it up a little bit. For lips, I have this Tarte, it's called Lippy Lingerie. It's got really nice light nude color. Come on, focus. And it's supposedly, oh, it's a pencil. Check it out. So, I guess I don't need a lip liner. I thought I might need one. I guess not. I can use this as a lip liner. It's very creamy. This feels really nice. It's just very creamy. It is a matte, but it feels really comfortable. Huh. Who knew? I had not heard of these. Have you guys heard of these? Let me know. Comments below. It's so comfortable. I really like this. And this color is Whisper, 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 Whisper. All right. For the rest of the collection, we have these from Smoky Glow. They are 3 lip glosses that I just dropped in my lap. All right, and these are the glosses right here. Ooh. So it looks like they got some really pretty ones. It's Hi Friends, Sparkle On, and Never Dull. See, I told you there's a lot of Hi Friends in there. I've watched her channel, but not too much to where I know what her sayings are. So I'm going to go in with this pink one. I'm going to go in with this pink one and see how this looks. Smells. They smell really nice. They almost smell like those lip glosses from when you were a kid. Yeah, they have a way to put it up on your nose, Maria. They have a really cute smell to if a scent could be cute, these would smell cute. I know it's weird. And let me see, these are the other two. Look at these two. These are very pretty. Let me go a little bit back. See how that one, like champagne? The coral one is really pretty. But the champagne, I gotta try this one now. That is very sparkly. I like that. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. So this is a look. What do you guys think? Did you like all of the products? Did you like some of the products? Which ones did you like? Which ones did you not like or would you not buy? Tell me in the comments down below. I think the eyeshadows performed really nicely. I really like the lip glosses, were really pretty. That lipstick from Tarte, the Lippy Lingerie, really nice. The Pretty Vulgar, I need to give it another try on the concealer. The blush is probably a little too dark for me, so I might give it to my daughter, which is she's a little bit more bronzy or dark skin than me. But otherwise, I had fun playing with all of them, and I really enjoyed all the products that I used today. So if you enjoyed this video as well, please give it a big thumbs up as it helps my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Happy 2021. Bye.